Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video we're going to download and install Intel PROSet wireless software and Wi-Fi drivers. And once you do that, it will look like this, where you will have your network. You can connect, you can check the properties, you can refresh, you can go to profiles. So many things you can do with this Intel process. But no matter which Intel wireless adapter you have, you can install it on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Intel PROSet can be installed on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7 as well. So how we can install it: open any of your favorite browsers or type Intel processor and hit enter. Now the very first result will come: Intel.com, download Intel processor wireless software and Wi-Fi triangles. So I need to click on that. Now just maximize it. Now from here, we can select the operating system, like if you're using Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1, or Windows 7. So since I'm using Windows 11, I'll select this one. Once you do that, you'll see the package version 22.130.0. And here are the wireless adapters. So I'll just click on that, where we can download Intel PROSet. Now here we have this download Wi-Fi 64-bit Windows 10, Windows 11. Now this one, and this is for 32-bit, so if you're not sure if you're using 32 or 64, take it better on 64-bit, because 99% in most of the cases, almost every PC now these days comes with 64-bit. Now the moment I click on download, it will ask me to accept, and the download will begin. So in just a 39 megabyte file, and once it is downloaded, I just need to click on open. It will ask you to say yes, and in your window will appear like this. So welcome to Intel Software Installer, Intel Wi-Fi Driver. This is a very good thing. So I'll just click on Next. And I need to click on I agree, and I click on Install. Now the moment I do it, it says please wait while installing the Intel processor wireless Wi-Fi software. So it is getting installed. And it says installation has been completed successfully. I'll just click on Finish. So this is how you can install the Intel PROSet wireless Wi-Fi connection utility. And please let me know if you have successfully installed it. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Good day, everyone.